Good morning, everyone. I hope that you are safe and healthy and would have completed the work which I have given you in the last video. In the last video, we discussed some topics, some problems based on the profit and loss concept. Today, we are going to start with the new concept, that is discount marked price. So, what is this marked price and what is this discount? Let us understand. Uh, जैसे आप किसी मार्केट में मूव करते हैं एंड यू गो फॉर बाइंग समथिंग लाइक अ क्लोथ and in the showroom it has been written 10% discount on mark price. So when you choose any item, consider a shirt, then it has been marked. उसमें जो प्राइस मार्क टैग लगा हुआ है वो कितने रुपीज़ का लगा हुआ बेटा आपका? रुपीज़ 500 रुपीज़ का क्या लिखा हुआ है उसमें? प्राइस है, टैग बना हुआ है, तो दैट प्राइस इज योर व्हाट? मार्क्ड प्राइस. वो क्या आपका मार्क्ड प्राइस है, जिसको हम एमपीवी बोलते हैं. ठीक है. सो द प्राइस दैट इज मार्क्ड ऑन योर शर्ट इज योर व्हाट? मार्क्ड प्राइस. और जिसको हम किससे डिनोट करते हैं बेटा? वी डिनोटेड बाई एमपी. नाउ व्हेन यू गो फॉर अ बिलिंग ऑफ दैट शर्ट, जब आप उस शर्ट की बिलिंग करने के लिए आते हो तो जो आपको पेमेंट देनी पड़ती है, ठीक है, द अमाउंट फॉर विच यू बाय दैट शर्ट इज योर व्हाट? 450 रुपीज़. आपने 450 रुपीज़ का उसको खरीदा है, तो दैट इज योर सेलिंग प्राइस. वो क्या आपका सेलिंग प्राइस है जो शॉपकीपर ने आपसे पैसे लेकर आपको वो शर्ट दी हुई है, तो दैट इज योर सेलिंग प्राइस. सो नाउ व्हाट इज द डिस्काउंट? डिस्काउंट क्या होता है? सो डिस्काउंट इज बेसिकली मार्क्ड प्राइस माइनस सेलिंग प्राइस. जो प्राइस उस शर्ट में मार्क्ड है और जिस प्राइस में उस शॉपकीपर ने आपको सेल किया है उसका जो डिफरेंस होगा दैट गिव्स यू अ डिस्काउंट. वो क्या होता है आपका? डिस्काउंट होता है. So what is discount? Discount is basically a difference between marked price, a price that is marked on your item, and selling price, that is at what price that you bought that item. Okay, so the difference between the two, marked price and the selling price, is your what? Discount. Now comes discount percent. But a discount percent is basically your what? जो आपको डिस्काउंट मिला अपॉन वट? मार्क प्राइस. जो उस आइटम पे प्राइस मार्क्ड है इनटू 100, तो दिस गिव्स यू व्हाट? डिस्काउंट परसेंट. सो अगर हमें डिस्काउंट दिया हुआ है एंड सेलिंग प्राइस हैज बीन गिवन, सो द मार्क प्राइस दैट इज एमपी विल बी इक्वल टू अ सेलिंग प्राइस बट डिस्काउंट. So mark price equals to what? Selling price plus discount. So these are the formula that we are going to use in this chapter comparing quantities on the problem based on discount and mark price. So this MP stands for mark price, SP stands for selling price, and discount is equals to mark price minus selling price. Discount percent will be equals to discount upon the mark price multiply 100, and the mark price will be equals to what? Selling price plus discounts. So now we will move to the questions based on this concept of discount and mark price and discount. Now this is the question number 6 of your exercise 7.2. This question number 6 says, during a sale, shop offered a discount of 10% on the mark price of all the items. एक सेल है जिसमें एक शॉपकीपर 10% की डिस्काउंट देता है ऑल द आइटम्स दैट आर प्रेजेंट ऑन इट्स शॉप. नाउ अ कस्टमर buys a pair of jeans which is marked at rupees 1450 and two shirts which are marked at rupees 850 each. So two shirts are there and each the cost of each shirt is your what? 850 rupees. So now the question asks you what price the customer will give to the shopkeeper to buy these three things, that is one jeans and two shirts. So first of all, we will find out the total marked price of the items. So the total marked price of the items will be what? Marked price of jeans plus marked price of two t-shirts. So first of all, we will find out what? We will find out what? Total marked price. Total MP, that is marked price, will be equals to what? Marked price MP of jeans plus MP of two shirt. So MP of jeans, mark price of jeans is rupees how much? Rupees 1450. and the mark price of two shirts, one shirt is rupees 850, तो टू शर्ट का जाएगा 2 multiply 850, so this will be equals to what, 1450 plus 1700, so we are getting total mark price equals to how much, total mark price कितना हो जाएगा, 0 plus 0 is your 0, 5 plus 0 is again 5, 4 plus 7 is your 11, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is your 3, so we are getting total marked price is how much, 3150. Now we have a discount percent is given to you how much, 10%. discount percent कितना दिए, 10%. now the selling price होगा, that selling price will be equals to what, हम क्या करेंगे, selling price कैसे निकलेंगे बेटा, the formula for finding out the selling price will be what, 100 minus what, discount percent, 100 minus discount percent multiply mark price upon my your what, 100. So if you put the values, this will be 100 minus 10, then mark price, that is 3150 upon my 100. So this will be equals to what, 100 minus 10 is your 90, 90 multiply 3150 upon my 100. So 10 से 10 cancel, again the second 0 will be cancelled out by the 0 on the with the 90, so we are getting 9 multiply 315. so when we multiply these, so we are getting 9 5 is 45, 5 9 1 9, 9 में 4 कितना 3, 13 का 3 carry 1, 9 3 is 27, 27 and 1 what, 28. so the price that the customer will give to the shopkeeper will be what, 2835 rupees for this one jeans and two shirt at the discount of 10%. now we'll move to the next question of this same type, mark price and discount of the exercise 7.2.